guys, I'm done trading the eval 1055 for today's. That's on the 45 stop loss 15 tick, 2 contracts in and out of these trades. That's why I like trading when there's volume. Doesn't take long. So what I'm going to do now is test the 40 20 tick take profit on 2 contracts, just in case we have to trade 20 ticks minimum with my funded futures. So 40 20 2 contracts. See if we can get some good setups and take some trades. Green buyers in control, take the pullbacks, this pullback, this pullback. Put your stop right below these levels. Price action bar, once it prints up and you have a triangle, just take the trade. Don't hesitate. Take it because your 15 or 20 ticks is in these levels. And triangles here, many different ways to scalp the system. Scalp Nasdaq. So it moves quick. It's about 8:53 after the open. This gives you the swing highs, Fibonacci levels. So many different ways to trade this. Once you get comfortable for what you do, then you can just trade it. So I'm going to change this. I'm going to go sim 0, testing this out. So you can see the price action, higher high, higher low, made a new swing high red, which we usually go and take that out. So buy trades are usually good when you're close to a swing high red. Let's look at the 10-minute chart. Here's the 10-minute chart. That's the new day after yesterday's close. So you can see Asia. This is London. Then they brought it down. Didn't break this low. And we've already broken the high. So you can see the price action is making higher highs. This is R1. These are fib levels. So my bias, which everybody has a bias, it's going to go and take this R1 out. Because you can see higher high, higher low. I mean, you could just scalp this. Came and took all the liquidity out here, but you still have all these liquidity out here. So this is Nasdaq. This is the 10-minute. Those are your pivot points. You can see R2's up here. That's the pivot point. We've hit it multiple times. This is the open. So you can see we've already cleared that a few times. So if we come back down here, S1 is right here. So as you can see, that strong candle moving up. So let's go back to swing highs red there. I'm going to go ahead and take a buy.
Order filled.
This is on a 20. Now, I like to move my price levels right below, my stops right below the price level there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to scalp this.
Order
another trade
submitted.
at this price level. This is a 20 tick. Triangle here. It's already past the 0 line. Still got momentum to the upside. The swing high is right here. So it hasn't broken that yet. This first trade. As you can see, I adjusted this stop loss right below this price level. So that is more than 40. If you're not comfortable with that, use micros. Usually, if I do lose this trade, it'll be a big loss, but I'll have scaled in because I know where my destination's at. Swing high red, as you all know, trying to short the swing high red will kill your account. So as soon as we take that red swing out, I believe we're just going to go higher and higher. First trade, 20 tick take profit, 40 stop loss. I adjusted that, move it below the price line there.
Target filled.
There you go. Swing high, open to the upside.
Order
Yeah, we got
filled.
momentum going up. Usually when it breaks out, you got momentum going up. So all the buyers are coming in. They want to take this higher. I'm in 2 trades now. 20 tick. My stop loss there. I've got another buy limit right here. So I'm just going with the momentum. 20 ticks. 20 ticks is within these. I mean, H green bar is 20 ticks. This price action bar is 80. So you can see we didn't hit that. Let's still open on the upside. This may be a little pullback.
Order
Price action
filled.
bar printing. Got a triangle, so that's a good scalp on the downside, but I'm going to hold these and see what it does. Momentum still on the upside, but this is a good signal to short it. Since I'm already in this trade, I'm going to hold it out. I'll probably take this target, then I'll probably adjust on this one here until this triangle gets taken out. So as soon as it takes me out here, I'm going to close that out. But that is a good price action signal right there. You got the triangle and the price action's formed. As soon as you see that, you can get in the trade. You'll already have gone in, and it'll take your profit. That's how fast these scalps are, but I'm taking the pullback. So in actuality, you could take a buy and a sell within this bar. Nasdaq has big pullbacks. I mean, that's 80 ticks. It'll just go like this until it decides what to do. Let's see here.
Target
There, took
filled.
me out. And I'm going to close that.
Order
I'm at
filled.
345. See that? It went up. If I would just hold it, it's momentum to the upside. So that's a good pullback trade. There it goes. Usually when it does breaks the swing high, it'll go up and continue to go swing high. So there's momentum to the upside. You can see this. Look at that. That's open. Even though this triangle printed up, man, you got strong momentum because it broke that swing high red, and it just keeps doing that. In the past, I used to try to short this on the red, but there's no signals. So usually if you have like momentum swings, it'll have this, then it won't have another triangle. But as soon as you get two more, then that's a sign that it will go down. So let's see if we got, I'm going to take a quick
Order
sell on
filled.
this because that price action printed out. I'm going to move this stop right below, right above here. So that triangle, so that's a good place to take it as well.
Order filled.
I'm at 2 on the sell. I'm just holding this out until it clears that out. That's another triangle. See that? Price action bar. There it goes.
Target filled.
I'm at 740, 20 ticks. There it goes. See that? Triangles, 4. Now you got a higher low. This may keep going to this fib level. So that's a deep pullback. It's deeper than this 80. Now it's giving us a higher low. Now you're looking at the price action. This gives us a signal we're going to go and take this higher swing high extreme red out. Momentum was up on the upside. So usually if there's a swing, it breaks that swing, especially on New York, because you have a lot of volume, it will just make that run. So a couple trades, 20 ticks, you're good to go. I'm at 740 right now, just taking those trades, just waiting for another price action to print out. It's already printed out the bar. I'm gonna go ahead and take that
Order
trade
filled.
there because we've already passed the second price level. So just waiting, just let it do its thing. 20 ticks, just trying to make a push, and you could always adjust this. You can always adjust this out.
Target
There it
filled.
goes. Let it take out. I just moved my take profit a little bit down, but that would have taken out the 20 ticks. So the 20 ticks works out pretty good. We usually are good at the 15, but you could also take that as a pullback. Sell it right here, put your stop right here, bring it down really quick, and that you could get your profit, your ins and out with these price levels here. That's why these price levels are really great. Just waiting for another to print up. As soon as it breaks this, gives us a signal, we're going to take this high out. I'm going to go ahead and scalp it real quick. Just waiting on it. We are on 20 take profit, 40 stop loss, basically a 1 or 2. Just wait for this to break out. We'll go in a scalp. I'm
Order
good with that
filled.
because I already passed this, so we should make a major push here. There it is, liar. And that take profit's right here at the fib level. You got the triangle here, swing highs here. Just waiting for that to get taken out. The swing high extreme, that's where everybody's going
Target
to. There it
filled.
is. 1,080, just trading that. All right, so that's trading the 40-20, testing it out, just taking the signals, and you got to be quick. You can't be thinking. Just take what you see on the chart.